waterless tip refreshener or refresher, whatever. I'd never heard of that yet until yesterday. It works brilliantly. We're going to do a nice close-up video of how the tip gets tinned. Okay, so now when you open this, you get that. Thanks, Liz. There's a little cover. Take the cover off, and you got that. We used it yesterday, so you got the marks from yesterday. Right. Yesterday. Right. Now we're going to do the tinning itself. This is difficult. I'm looking at the phone and at that. And voila. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I had no idea of this stuff. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.